Why are so many shops suddenly promoting PCU paint protection films? Is it really breakthrough technology or just clever marketing? In fact, so-called PCU films are essentially just a subset of TPU PPF. Industry insiders often describe TPU as having four brothers: polyester-based, polyether-based, polycaprolactone-based, and polycarbonate-based. Polyester-based, widely used but vulnerable to hydrolysis. Polyether-based, strong against hydrolysis, but prone to yellowing. Polycaprolactone-based, best all around, and the mainstream material for PPF today. Polycarbonate-based PCU, hardest and most aging resistant, but may crack or chalk in low temperatures. In other words, PCU is in T, a new material. It's simply one of the tougher brothers in the TPU family. In fact, PCU-based films were already seen on the market as early as 2018–2019. Today's buzz comes less from technical breakthroughs and more from the fact that the name sounds premium, making it easier for shops to market, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. From a business perspective, presenting the same material with upgraded positioning to sell at a higher value and make customers feel it's worthwhile is exactly what good marketing is about. So, PCU films are not a revolution, but a TPU material subtype plus clever market naming. Its strengths lie in hardness and aging resistance, but low temperature risks remain. If you a car owner, don't get misled by names. Focus on the real material performance. Get in touch. Let us craft more scientific, competitive PPF solutions that keep your clients confident and your business stronger. Subscribe for more insights into PPF materials, processes, and global market trends.